Hello everyone. I hope you are healthy, fit and fine. You might have watched the previous video of GK and understood it well and started studying. Let's start today's class. Let us continue with Unit 1. Open page number 5 of your GK book. The topic is Indian monuments. It is said that India is dotted with monuments. The country has a rich cultural heritage. Our ancient rulers has great fascination for magnificent buildings like fort, temples and mosques. They built some of the most remarkable buildings in the world. Now, let us study about various Indian monuments situated in various cities of India. Let us do the exercise given. Read after me. Some world famous monuments are shown below. Match them to the city and state they are situated in by writing correct letter from the help box against their name. The first picture we can see a picture of Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is situated in Delhi. It is a Baha'i house of worship. So we will match 1 with B, Delhi. Write in the space given B. Second picture is a picture of Gol Gumbaz. Gol Gumbaz is a mausoleum of King Muhammad Adil Shah. This is situated in Bijapur, Karnataka. So write in the space given H, Bijapur, Karnataka. Third picture is Charminar. Charminar is a monument and mosque constructed in 1591 and is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. So write in the space given F, Hyderabad, Telangana. Fourth picture given is Amber Fort. Amber Fort is a fort located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. It is a town with an area of 4 square kilometers. So we will match 4 with A, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Write in the space given A. In the fifth picture, we can see a picture of Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial is a large marble building in Kolkata, West Bengal. It is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria. So we will write in the space given E, Victoria Memorial. Sixth picture is a picture of Golden Temple. Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar, Punjab. It is not only a central religious place of Sikhs but also a symbol of human brotherhood and equality. So we will match 6 with I, Amritsar, Punjab. Write in the space given I, Amritsar, Punjab. Seventh picture is a picture of Sun Temple. Sun Temple is a 13th century temple at Konark, Odisha. This temple is attributed to King Narsimha Deva of Eastern Ganga. So we will match Sun Temple with D, Konark, Odisha. Eighth picture is a picture of Mahabodhi Temple. Mahabodhi Temple complex is one of the 4 holy sites related to the life of Lord Buddha. It is situated in Gaya, Bihar. So we will write in the space given C, Gaya, Bihar. Ninth picture is Gomateshwara statue. Gomateshwara statue is the tallest monolithic statue in the world. It is dedicated to the Jain figure Bahubali.
It is one of the largest freestanding statue in the world. It is situated in Shravanbelagola in Karnataka. So write in the space given G. Shravanbelagola, Karnataka. Now open page number 6. Next topic is sobriquets galore. Sobriquets are the nickname of places, person, lakes, ocean, seas, etc. In this page we have to match these sobriquets in their names. Question number 1. Land of 5 rivers, and land of 5 rivers is known as Punjab. So we will match 1 with F, Punjab. Second sobriquet is Garden City of India. Garden City of India is known as Bengaluru. Answer is G. We will match 2 Garden City of India with G, Bengaluru. Third one is Island of Pearls. Island of Pearls is known as Bahrain, and Bahrain is A. So we will match 3 Island of Pearls with A, Bahrain. Number 4, Land of Rising Sun, and Land of Rising Sun is known as Japan. So we will match 4 with B, Japan. Number 5, the gift of the Nile. The gift of Nile is known as Egypt. We will match 5, the gift of Nile, with J, Egypt. Number 6, the lady with the lamp. Florence Nightingale is known as the lady with the lamp. We will match 6 with C, Florence Nightingale. Number 7, the Pink City. The Pink City name has been given to Jaipur. Jaipur is known as the Pink City. We will match 7 with E, Jaipur. Number 8, Island Continent. Australia is known as the island continent. So we will match 8 with D, Australia. Number 9, Spice Garden of India. Kerala is known as the Spice Garden of India. So we will match 9 with I, Kerala. Number 10, Land of Midnight Sun. And the answer is Norway. Norway is known as the Land of Midnight Sun. We will match 10 with H, Norway. Let's move to the next topic, countries and their flags. Every country has got a specific flag as their national symbol. A national flag is a flag that represents and symbolizes a given nation. Flags of countries around the world represent not only that country or territory, but also their history, political, religious beliefs, culture, society, and even natural sites from their land. Let us now identify the flags of different countries of the world. The first picture, you can see a flag named as Union Jack, and this flag is a flag of United Kingdom. So we will match 1 with D, United Kingdom. Second picture, you can see a picture of a flag named Sang Saka Merah-Putih. This flag is a flag of Indonesia. So we will match 2 with C, Indonesia. The third picture, you can see a picture of a flag named the maple leaf, and this flag is a flag of Canada. So we will match 3 with G, Canada. In the fourth picture, you can see a Swiss flag. Swiss flag is a flag of Switzerland. We will match 4 Swiss flag with E, Switzerland. Fifth picture, you can see a flag named the Stars and the Stripes. Stars and Stripes. So this flag is a flag of USA. B, USA. We will match 5 with B, USA. Sixth picture is a picture of a flag, Tiranga, and everybody know Tiranga is our national flag, that is flag of India. So we will match 6 Tiranga with H, India. Seventh flag, you can see a flag named tricolor, and this tricolor is a flag of France. So we will match 7 with A, France. The eighth picture, you can see a flag named Nishoki, and this Nishoki is a flag of Japan. So we will match 8 with F, Japan. Let's proceed further. Page number 8, Natural Wonders. Read the description and name these natural wonders of the world. Here we can see a description written with a picture. We have to identify which natural wonder this is. The first picture, it is a tallest mountain in the world and lies in Nepal. It is a part of the Himalayan mountain range. This is Mount Everest. So the answer is Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. We will write in the space given Mount Everest. Number 2, this desert situated in the continent of Africa is the biggest sand desert in the world. We can see the picture. It is Sahara Desert. So answer is Sahara Desert is the biggest sand desert. We will write in the space given Sahara Desert. Let's move to the next picture. Number 3. It is located in the northwest part of Arizona State, USA. It was formed by the cutting of running water. What it is? It is Grand Canyon. Answer is Grand Canyon. We will write in the space given. Number 4. These waterfalls are on the border of USA and Canada and have the highest amount of water flow in the world. This is Niagara Waterfall. The answer is Niagara Waterfalls. Write in the space given Niagara Falls. Now let us learn something more about India. Question number 1. Which are the 2 houses of parliament? The answer is the 2 houses of parliament are the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Question number 2. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? The first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize was Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 3. Name the 3 services of Indian Armed Force. The 3 services of Indian Armed Force are Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Question number 4. How many languages does the Indian Constitution recognize? Answer is 22 languages. Question number 5. Who was the author of Ramayana? Answer is Valmiki.
Now it's time to end the class. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete all the exercise given. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.